We leverage open source versions of services, ensuring you are not tied to cloud-specific versioning. This means you can choose from various runtimes such as Python, PHP, Go, and Node.js, along with multiple others. You can add services like RabbitMQ and Kafka, along with databases like MySQL and Postgres. We even leverage key value stores, caches, and queues like Redis, Memcache. This ensures that we are compatible with any configurations that our customers would like to deploy. Notably, we include pgvector for storing vectors and embeddings, a feature that allows our users to run different machine learning algorithms directly on platform. Our team is dedicated to maintaining, testing, and publishing these container images. This rigorous process ensures that you benefit from the enhanced security and ease of use, eliminating the need to manage Docker files or rely on untrusted, publicly available images. To provide even greater flexibility, Platform SH now offers Nix Images. With Nix, you can mix and match runtimes or add any of the 80,000 available packages. This capability allows you to tailor your environment precisely to your needs. Let's take a look at an example. We have a multi-runtime setup using Node.js and Python integrated with the FaceDetect package. This demonstrates the power and versatility of our platform. Utilizing Nix Images also allows you to pin specific versions of runtimes and packages to make sure that you are in control of the deployment of updates on your applications. Overall, our platform is capable of ensuring reproducible and deterministic builds. This means that the same code and configuration will always produce the exact same results, which addresses one of the major issues that developers are facing when customizing or overwriting Docker images today. We also reuse existing builds and containers whenever possible. This means you can achieve consistent results across different environments, enhancing the reliability of your applications. For example, when merging a staging environment into a production environment, no rebuild is happening. The same exact container will be deployed. This is a crucial part in ensuring that all your deployments will be fast, but more importantly, will be safe. A new feature or bug fix will behave the exact same way once deployed to production. Our Deploy Friday motto is not just marketing. We have seen hundreds of our retail clients deploy their applications multiple times during Black Friday events every year.